Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. So yeah, it's first time I'm not wearing sunglasses, and I wanted to, for New Year, I wanted to change in some way to communicate with you guys better. So I decided to take off my sunglasses. I don't know, I'm very shy. I was like, I made big decision for this to be honest. So I will try. If it works well, I might continue like this. If I don't know if you guys don't like it, maybe I'm gonna wear sunglasses again. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, welcome and nice to meet you. And yeah, so today I want to do unboxing. Louis Vuitton unboxing. First time Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I was trying to find the item I really like for Valentine's Day. I did the Chanel unboxing last time, but I really was looking at Louis Vuitton items, like small leather goods, like fashion accessory, and a bag, mini bag, big bag. So there are so many kinds. So wait for it. Stay tuned. Anyway, let's get started. Let's go shopping together with me. So I'm on the way to pick up the items I ordered.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I ordered in advance, but I was not sure. I wanted to try again, and then I might change some item I purchased. So I decided to check the store a little bit. Love these bangles and bracelet. I was checking some gold jewelry as well. It's so cute and dainty. I was checking this bag and trying it on. It's so cute. Guess which one I chose. Done with picking up my items. Now I'm going home for unboxing. So if you guys don't mind, I might do the part 1 and 2. So part 1 might be a bag I bought. Part 2 might be the other items. Not the bag. Yeah. So let's start with a bag I bought. I was so excited. So it's kind of first time for me to buy Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah. And I was looking at a lot of kinds of bag, and there were like so many like mini bags, pochette. Okay, let me just start. So the size wise, it's not big bag for sure, right? I am so happy to share it with you guys. This one, I really like this bag. It's very unique. I think it's new this season. I'm not sure. If you guys know better than me, please let me know. Yeah, I'm like newbie for Louis Vuitton, so I need your help. So let me know. So when I see it, there is the name of the item. I will read it. Yeah. And this is the bag. Ta-da! It's very small. You can see mini bag for sure. Yeah. It's very new to me. I haven't seen this item. I think last year. I don't know. I'm not sure. It says a new arrival. So it's kind of a new item for sure. What to choose? Which color should I choose? And there are like four colors. Yeah, and then I couldn't find another color. Like on the day I visited, there was only this color. But still, this is a very basic, classic color. Yeah, but I have a lot of this color. Anyway, let me start. So, ta-da! It's black. And I need to know the name. Sorry. So this is Louis Vuitton New Wave Multi Pochette. Yeah. So New Wave Multi Pochette. I'm gonna put the photos here. I saw a lot of kind online, but this one was only in store this time. So you can wear like this. It's so cute. it's like tote. You can wear like tote, like this. And also, it's not just this. There is, so this is multi-crochet. You know multi-crochet, I'm sure. Oh, not this ribbon. This small one, it's detachable. So if you don't want, so you can take this out like this. I'll show you. You can take this out if you don't want to put here. You can use it as a like coin purse. Yes. So let me just put this here. So there is a part you can connect like this. Do you see? Yeah, right here. Yeah, and the other side also there is part you can connect. I really like this shoulder strap. See, Louis Vuitton. There is a Louis Vuitton signature here. Yes. Yeah, I really like this. It's very casual, but without this thick strap, it can be like very cute, you know, purse. You can just hold it like this. But with this, you can wear pretty much casual. So I would love to use this way, to be honest. Oh my god. See this? I love it. And this wave, I would say wave. It's like wave really. That's right, the wave multi-crochet, I guess the name is. So if you want to put this thing here, the coin purse kind of, you can it can be here, right here, like this. So let me put it. Oh my god, it's not easy. Okay, like this. Do you see? Yeah, and then you can open this, of course, zipper closure. Inside is, so this is all made of leather, I guess. So most important thing for me was this length should be more than, so my iPhone should fit, so it fit enough. Yeah, because from here to here, 7.5 inch and 5.5 inch, and the width 2.2 inch. So it's enough big. You can even put small, I would say, small wallet together if it's not too thick. So yeah, I really love this one. And this LV logo in gold tone metal. I really love it. And this one is smooth calf leather. That's why I like it. I wanted leather material, so that's why I didn't choose. There was a lot of similar design with monogram, but it's not leather, so I prefer leather. That's why I chose this. I actually wanted the white color. So when you check the homepage, you can see white color, khaki color, pink color, and black color. So there was only black color even in store available. So I was thinking maybe I can ask to change to white color, but you know, again, it's gonna be a little bit, white color could be, yeah, good for summer, but for all season, I would say black color gonna match with any outfit. So I chose this color instead of white color, but white color is so pretty. I couldn't see in real, but yeah, I could order. So I'm thinking, what do you think, guys? Yeah, let me know. And this gold color is kind of vintage gold, they are saying, but it's really shiny. I'm not sure it's vintage gold tone. Yeah, it looks like just gold. Yeah, a little bit dark, like kind of rose gold, but like it's a vintage gold, but it's a little bit yeah, toned down color of gold tone. Yeah, so also the reason I like this bag is the strap is removable. Also this chain strap is removable. So either you can take this away and then just use like this, or you can use both. This can be like a kind of like design, and you can use this pretty much. And this coin purse, I really like it because you can put something like, you know, earphone, iPod. So those kind of things can be fit. Like whatever you want to. It's not for card, but it's like coin purse, but you can put anything. It fits. I really like this shape, V shape here. And I like it because this V shape here all the way, and here it's like wave shape, so it looks very chic. I love this way. Yeah, it's like kind of new style. Really, I really like it. And the back side also you can see V shape here, and then wave shape all the way. It's very smooth. I didn't know cap skin can be this much smooth. I really like it. It's like lamb almost. Yeah, I don't think it. I think this can be pretty much scratch resistant. Yeah, and then perfect to put essential things, including iPhone, that size phone. Yeah, I think this is really practical, versatile. You can use outerwear with jean. I would wear with dress like this. Yeah, I'm gonna put more shot a little bit later. Yeah, after this. Straps are removable and also adjustable. Yeah, I forgot to mention. So there was part you can adjust here. Yeah, from here, yes. So you can adjust, make it longer, shorter, like this. You can make it longer. Also, if you want this way, you can make it shorter.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry.
So again, the length of this bag is 7.5 inch and height is 5.5 inch and the width is 2 inch. So it's gonna pretty much fit everything. So let me try to put things inside. Let me try iPhone first. Should fit for sure. Yeah, it fits. Okay, it's kind of mini size, but I think yeah, it's gonna fit some. And key. And compact. Bobbi Brown compact. See, it fits all. And my Chanel wallet is, as you can see, it's like over 2 inch, very thick. Even though I don't put anything, so I'm not gonna put this one. It's not gonna fit for sure. But I can put like a wallet. I mean the card holder for sure, like flat card holder. So I would say iPhone card holder, like compact, cosmetic. Like something flat, cosmetic, compact, and key should fit. Yeah. So let me try to close. It's a magnetic, by the way. This is magnetic. So it's just like when you hear the sound, this sound, that's it. Yeah. It's very practical bag, I think, compared to the size. And here you can put something like iPod. Yeah, I would say. So yeah, so today this is it, and next time, stay tuned. I'm gonna do another unboxing of 3 of these mini bag or bag. Wait for it. Hope you enjoyed, and happy Lunar New Year. And I'm gonna do fashion, lifestyle, and whatever I can talk about. So I am thinking maybe lifestyle in LA as well, and also maybe I don't know, I am not putting a lot of cosmetic usually, but I can try to do makeup thing as well if you guys like it. So let me know what you want to see from my channel. Yeah, I'll try my best. So please subscribe, support. I need your support. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy Lunar New Year. Bye.